Hi, I'm married to a baseball player, a professional one, and I'm a married single mom. That's right, you heard me. I am a married single mom. And what do I mean by that? I mean that um, my husband plays baseball 7 months out of the year. And so 7 months out of the year, I am parenting 3 children alone for the most part.
Bruh, bruh. I am so sick and tired of hearing this bull. Man, listen, you are married to a professional baseball player that's gone for 7 months doing what? Making sure that you got a roof over your head, making sure that all these bills are taken care of. The only thing that you got to do is make sure that them kids are going to be straight. Now, let's keep it a band, right? I don't think she's talking about all toddlers or all infants or anything like that, right? And I believe, just my personal belief, how I was raised, how we were raised, when you train up a child, right? Like children's brains are like sponges, they're soaking everything up. And when you're teaching them certain things, then it should get easier. All right. I'm not saying that it's easy, but it should get easier. By the age of 1, bro, I was walking and putting my dang on toys back in the doggone toy bin. I knew and I understood that. By 2, I was sweeping, I was mopping, I was doing a little cleaning and everything out. Me and my brothers and sisters, look, come on, I don't understand what the heck are y'all doing? What are y'all doing with y'all children? What are y'all doing with y'all kids? Are y'all not preparing them for later on in life to make sure that they understand the basics? Like get them right now. Like what are we doing? Like we still having fun, we still enjoying, but we're learning. We're learning as young kids what needs to be done. Let me make sure that I clean up behind myself. What does that do? That makes everybody else's life in this house a lot easier. And people can start pulling their weight. Again, I started pulling mine as early as 1 years old. Not to brag or anything, but by the 7th grade, I was taking care of all of my school clothes and school shoes and school supplies. I told my mom, listen, I got it from here. You ain't got to worry about it. I'm out there cutting grass, raking leaves, washing dog, anything to make a freaking dollar. You know what? Let me let her continue. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy.
Go to all of the activities. I handle all the business here at the house. And at the end of the summer, we go for visits. But even when we go to visit him for those 2.5 months, my husband's only home for 2 weeks out of the month. So unless I travel with my entire family, 3 children, all under 6, and go with him, we don't see my husband but for 2 weeks out of those months during the summer. The rest of the time, I'm doing everything by myself.
So I'll tell you what. Why did you even sign up for it then? You already knew what you were getting yourself into. I'm pretty sure you already knew what the lifestyle was like before you even got into all of this. You already knew what was to be expected. 6 years. All of your children are up under 6 years old. Why the hell aren't you traveling with them? Why aren't you loading them doggone kids? Because there are plenty of moms that do so. Listen, husband on the go. Hey, let's get it. If not for the entire time, then at least some of it. Instead of complaining, let's try to figure out what's a solution that's going to help with myself, the family, or what. Instead of sitting here on TikTok making TikToks about your life like this is a real struggle. There are people out there, ma'am, that even with two parents in the household are still struggling. There are people out there with two-parent households that aren't as fortunate as that got to go to work from sun up to sundown to make sure all of those things that you are freaking complaining about, they got to spend 10, 12, 14-hour shifts to make sure that they good. Coming home tired, exhausted, But you sitting over here with your 13-foot ceilings, probably got all the damn lights on in the house, complaining. Make it make sense, man.
And by everything, I mean the drop offs, the pickups, scheduling the appointments, taking the kids to do all of their things, the birthday parties, the kindergarten graduations, the after school clubs, all of the things.
Bro, so it got two parts. It got two parts to this. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even want to watch. I don't even want to watch part two. If y'all want me to do and watch part two, I will. But I'm good on this, man. I'm good on this. I'm sick and tired of people that are married to successful husbands saying that they are a freaking single mother. I really want to. You know what? I want to hear from the other real single moms out there right now, right? They have to go to work every single day. And when that child gets sick or whatever, when a child gets sick, you got to let your job know, or you got to call out of work. You got to miss work, which is probably going to put a lot of different things in limbo, in jeopardy, or whatever. I would absolutely love to hear from the real single mothers out there. How do y'all feel about this? This young lady don't have to worry about working at all. She good. Her and them 3 children, 3, 4 children, however many she said, they ain't got to worry about no money. How would you feel if you had a husband that was a professional baseball player that took care of all the rest of the other things, right? You don't have to worry about money at all. The only thing that you got to do is make sure that the children are taken care of. You ain't even really got to worry about, necessarily taking care of your husband like that because he's off playing baseball, making sure that you good. How do y'all feel about this young lady that has the option to not work? How do y'all feel about that, man? Y'all, please let me know down in the comments. I am very, very interested to hear what these young ladies got to say about this want to be called single mother. Let us know down in the comments. This is one of the very first times that I'm really looking forward to hearing from the other single mothers out there. All right, drop that thing down in the comments and let's talk about it. All right, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.